doing great. Welcome back to our channel Agla Same Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 4 of class 7th, that is simple equations. So starting with the fourth exercise, that is 4.4, our first question says set up equations and solve them to find the unknown number in the following cases. So A part says add 4 to 8 times a number, you will get 60. So here we have to let the number be x. According to the question, our statement will be 8x plus 4 is equals to 60. So 8x is equal to 60 minus 4. 8x will be 56, which will equals to 7. B part says 1/5 of the number minus 4 gets 3. So here we have to let the number be y. According to the question, y upon 5 minus 4 is equals to 3. So here y upon 5 is equals to 3 plus 4. So y is equal to 7 into 5, which will give you 35. C part says if I take 3/4 of the number and add 3 to it, I get 21. So here we have to let the number be z. So according to the question, our equation will be 3 upon 4z plus 3 is equals to 21. So 3 by 4z is equals to 21 minus 3, which will give you z as 24. Moving to the fourth part, which says when I subtract 11 from twice a number, the result was 15. So here we have to let the number be x. So our equation will be 2x minus 11 because we have to subtract, and our result is 15. So equals to 15. So after solving this, we will get x as 13. E part says Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. He finds the result to be 8. So here we have to let the number be m. So our equation will be 50 minus 3m is equals to 8. After solving this equation, we will get m as 14. Second question says solve the following. First part says a teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by the student in a class are twice the lowest marks plus 7. Highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? So here we have to let the lowest score be y. So our equation will be according to the question, that is 2y plus 7 is equal to 87. So 2y is equal to 87 minus 7, which will give you 80. Therefore y is equal to 40. So the lowest score is 40. Moving to a B part, which says in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? So the answer is we have to let the base angle of a triangle be B. So given is A is equal to 40 and B is equal to C. So what we know, A plus B plus C is equal to 80 because angles are property of a triangle. So therefore 40 plus B is equal to 180, which will give you B as 70. So the base angles of the isosceles triangle are 70 degree each. C part says Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together their runs fell too short of the double century. How many runs did each one score? So the answer is, first of all we have to let the score of Rahul be x runs and Sachin's score is 2x. Therefore, x plus 2x is equal to 198. So, x is equal to 198 upon 3, which will give you x as 66. So, Rahul's score is 66 and Sachin's score is 2 into x, that is 2 into 66, which will give you 132's run. Moving to our third question, which says solve the following. First part says Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marble Parmit has. Irfan has 37 marbles. How many marbles does Parmit has? So here we have to let the number of marbles Parmit has be m. According to the question, our statement will be 5m plus 7 is equal to 37. So 5m is equal to 37 minus 7, which will get 5m is equal to 30. So m is equal to 30 divided by 5, which will give you m as 6. Therefore Puneet has 6 marbles. Moving to our second part, which says Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is the Lakshmi's age? So here we have to let the age of Lakshmi be y years. Then her father age will be 3y plus 4. Therefore 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. After solving this equation, we will get y as 15. Moving to our third part, which says people of Sundargram planted a total of 102 trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. The number of known fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. What was the number of fruit trees planted? So here we have to let the number of fruit trees be t. Then the number of known fruit trees will be 3t plus 2. Therefore, after solving this equation, that is t plus 3t plus 2 is equals to 102. 40 is plus 2 is equals to 102. It means 40 is equal to 100. Therefore, t is equal to 100 upon 4, that will give you 29. Therefore, the number of fruit trees are 25. Moving to our fourth and the last question of this exercise, which says solve the following riddle. So here, I am a number, tell my identity, take me 7 times over, add a 50, to reach a triple century, you still need 40. So the answer is, let the number be n. Therefore, 7n plus 50 plus 40 is equals to 300. It means 7n plus 50 and 40 will give you 90 is equals to 300. 7n is equal to 210. Therefore, n value will be 30. That means the required number is 30. So guys, this is all from this exercise. If you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Agla Sem Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.